deeper. So vision is limited. It's snowing. Snow is deeper. You don't see the side of the road. This is fun. Yep, this is what I would pay money for. You can't always travel and be in a controlled environment. Because we're not. Regardless of how many buildings and skyscrapers on this planet, it's still a wild planet. Most of it is wild. We have to acknowledge it. I have no idea if I'm going the wrong way. Yeah, I was going the wrong way. I was technically in the other lane. You can't tell until you see somebody coming your way and you have to pay attention. Or try to keep up with the tire marks, which are all over the place. We are 50 minutes away from Tahquamenon Falls in the Upper Peninsula of Michigan. Which so far has been an exhilarating experience, even if it's January. Why not give it a shot in January and July? See the difference and feel the difference. And the road ahead of us looks beautiful. I think we might go uphill, so I'm gonna keep the camera rolling, see how that feels. Look at the tree line, it's just beautiful. Like the movies, wild movies, like The Gray. I love that movie. There's a car ahead of us. Both gonna meet at the bottom of this hill. Fun. Wonder where they're going.